All right, so for our water project, we chose the lack of clean water and sanitation impacting the rise of COVID-19 and why it was an issue and why it's important. According to WHO, 29% of the world's population don't have access to safe clean water. This also means that they don't have safe water to cleanse themselves, and it's also a global issue with highlighted that's highlighted by a global pandemic. Water is essential for our bodies and needed to maintain good hygiene. Taking care of our bodies, especially hand washing, is crucial to the battle against COVID-19.
For example, the residents in Flint, Michigan are unable to trust the government on the fact that the water is clean. It leads the residents to depend on donated cases of bottled water from the church and which they use to bathe and cook. Therefore, this is an inefficient way of fighting against COVID-19 because there is only so much bottles of water people can use to continuously wash their hands due to COVID-19.
There are some alternative recommended solutions versus using bottles of water like Flint, Michigan. The government can supply countries with free hand sanitizer that are 60% alcohol, and this is able to replace hand washing, which would get rid of bottles of water. There's also another type of way to get water, which is water tapping, and you can use groundwater. And another example of a country would be Rwanda.
Rwanda is a underdeveloped country that successfully had battled against COVID-19. If you guys don't know much about them, 5% of their country has accessible water. And their main objective was obviously trying to get rid of COVID-19. And they used portable hand washing stations all over the country in busy locations like bus stations, schools, libraries, all that kind of stuff to make sure everyone is trying to stay clean or as clean as they possibly can.
So we looked at some of the disciplines in this question of clean water and sanitation impacting the rise of COVID-19. And obviously the public health area was one that works more towards COVID-19, trying to distribute aid to places that are heavily hit. And environmental engineering works more towards the clean water and sanitation area, working to protect humans from environmental hazards and stuff like that. Trying to find better ways to purify water and get more water.